Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to generate text to speech for free using Hedra AI. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open your browser and then type in Hedra AI and then just click on the link page and then just log in with your Google account. And the good news is Hedra will give you a free plan with 300 credits every month. That is more than enough to explore. And of course, you can upgrade later if you need more. And alright, to generate a space, you can click on this audio icon. Now just choose the model that you want. You can choose 11 multilingual or just Minimax. It's up to you. And then just choose your voice that you want. And then select your language that you want to use. And then you can also adjust the speed and stability if needed in here. And then just type your script. It can be up to 10,000 characters. And in this tutorial, I will try to type my script like that. And once everything is ready, just hit on generate this one. And okay, let's try to play the audio.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to generate text-to-speech for free using Hedra AI.
Okay, that's it. The result is surprisingly sounds good with a clear intonation, and I think it has a little bit expressions. So just give it a try and see how it works for your projects. Okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.